Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes and this is a Ducati 959 Panigale. What a gorgeous bit of kit this is. 2016 16 plate, 7,902 miles. And as you've already heard, that gorgeous sounding Austin Racing exhaust. Tail dider, just to clean up that back end. As standard, you got your Quickshifter on these. You can adjust the ABS, the traction control. You can even adjust the engine braking. Different power modes, digital display on these. I do love the red wheels against this. It's like a matte satin pearl white. It is gorgeous. What an absolute stunner. Guys, you've heard it, you've seen it. All you need to...
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.